Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you if you can charge your speaker using your phone. The answer is actually yes, you can. You just have to have a phone that supports reverse charging and a cable, which is the micro USB to USB Type-C. Of course, there is no such cable, and if there is, you can buy it, but I recommend buying an adapter if you really want to charge your speaker using your phone. Of course, you have to have a phone that supports reverse charging, but almost every phone with USB Type-C cable, part, supports reverse charging. I don't have such cable and such adapter, so I won't show you this, but the answer is actually yes, you can. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.